What's good, Barbies? It's your girl Barbie, and we're back again once again with another banger. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be trying these lashes on. So make sure you give this video a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, it's on the screen and in the description down below. So go follow me, get this thing open. These are what the lashes look like. They're 3D make lashes. I'm gonna go in and take these tweezers and pull these lashes off just so I don't damage the lashes because they're too cute to mess up. Now I'm going to apply the lash glue on the lashes, and just a little will do. Now where you're applying lashes, you want to make sure you get as close to your lash line as possible if you can. Now I'm going in with these tweezers to help me get these lashes as close to my lash line as possible. We have one lash on, and this is what it's looking like. These lashes are light, you can't even tell you have these on. Now I'm about to apply the other lash on. Oh my god, why do I keep making these faces? I know I can't be the only female that does that. Comment down below if you do this when you do your makeup. And we are done, babies. These are super cute. Yo, let me know down below what you think about these lashes. If you like the way these lashes look, make sure you give this video a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and all my social medias is down in the description down below, so go follow me. So until next time, you guys, I'm out. Bye.